Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Safepal app on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your app store, go to search bar, type in Safepal and search it up. Now you can go ahead, see the app right over here, tap on this download icon. Once you're done, tap on this option of open right over here, and tap on allow if you would like. I would go with the don't allow. I'm gonna tap on I've read accepted the terms of use. I'm gonna tap and get started. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.